Welcome back everyone, it's Miss Amanda here, and this time we're going to make our favorite Jedi Master, Yoda. So this is him all finished. Isn't he awesome? He can sit on your desk or anywhere you want. Here's what you'll need to make him. A toilet paper roll, some pipe cleaners, some paint, light brown, dark brown, green, and black. No, you can't really see it in the screen, but there is glue right dab in the center of that. A cotton ball. Alright, so the first thing we are going to do is mark where his head ends and his body begins. So you're going to take a pencil and make a line around the middle to make a line for the head and body so you know where to stop painting green and start painting brown. Doesn't have to be perfect, just a general guideline. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to pick what side of the toilet paper roll you want to be the front. And on that side you're going to make two lines going down the middle where his cape will open. Okay, I marked that middle section with an L just so I wouldn't forget that that's where the light brown goes. Next up, we're just going to paint the head. Now, of course, what color do we use? For Yoda, we use green. So while we're painting Yoda's head, did you know that George Lucas originally wanted to name Yoda Buffy? Could you imagine that? Jedi Master Buffy doesn't exactly roll off the tongue, right? So they actually picked Yoda because no one really liked Buffy. And Yoda is actually Sanskrit for warrior. I think we can all agree they made the much better choice when they changed that name. So Yoda was actually also meant to only appear in one movie, in The Empire Strikes Back. Once he was done training Luke, he was supposed to disappear, never to be seen again. I think we can all agree that the Star Wars movies would not have been the same without Yoda. He's one of the most beloved and popular characters in the franchise. Now, something that's a little odd is that in the novelization, as well as in the Marvel Comics adaptation of the movie, Yoda is depicted actually as being blue. No one really knows why this happens. It remains unclear, but one thing's for certain, definitely wouldn't have been the same Yoda if he was blue. Alright, now that the head's done, we're going to move on to the cape. First up, we're going to take the light brown. We're just going to paint that right down the middle. Now, you want to be probably as neat as you can with this part, but if you do mess up a little bit, you can always go back and cover it up with the green or with the dark brown. It's not a big deal. You can see I'm kind of putting some gold in there. That's just because my brown wasn't quite light enough to make it a difference between the two. You can do however you want. You can make it gold on the inside, you can make it tan, however you want to do it. So next up, we're going to do the dark brown. So as with most Jedi, Yoda's outer robes are dark brown. So it is thought that Jedi, such as Yoda, wore these long, loose robes as a kind of homage to the first known Jedi that came from Tatooine, and wore loosely fitting robes made of low-quality fabric. It's also to show their humility and their humble nature. Jedi are sworn to a life of modesty and humility, and they are raised their entire lives without possessions except for the lightsaber. It was thought in many ways that these simple robes were the symbolic of the selfless compassion that characterized the Jedi Order. Alright, now that his robes are almost done, I'm going to finish up those last few spots the dark brown needs to go. And now we are on to the eyes. So we're going to take our marker. We're going to mark where you want that placement to be. It's going to be still a little bit wet depending on how quickly you want to do this. Just be careful. All you want to do is make two little dots with your marker where you want the eyes to go. Okay, so my trick for making eyes is to use a smaller paintbrush and actually make a line down the center with your paint and then curve it out on either side. That way the eyes will come out a little bit more even, and it's a lot easier to paint a circle that way than just going in for a straight circle. But you can do it however you want. I'm gonna fix his eye a little bit. And there we go. Yoda's got his eyes. Alright, so next up is actually we're going to take that same paintbrush and we're going to paint the glue on. You want a pretty thin layer around the top of him. You don't want it to go around the front because Yoda is pretty much bald, except for some hair he has around his ears. You want a pretty, not a thick layer, you don't want it glooping all over and you don't want it dripping down, just enough so that the cotton ball will be able to stick to it. sure it's all nice and evenly coated. And there we have it. We have Yoda's hairline. Next part up, we're going to take cotton ball, very carefully kind of shred it and pull it apart. We're going to stick that fluff to Yoda's head. There's really no rhyme or reason here. Stick it where you want. His hair is always kind of crazy. He's kind of got Einstein hair. And there we go. Just spruce it up a little bit. There we go. We got Yoda's hair. Okay, so this next part is going to need adult supervision. So if you want to pause the video here and go get them. Alright, adults. What you're going to do is you're going to take a really sharp pencil or a pen and poke a hole in either side of Yoda's head, right underneath his hair. Don't worry if the toilet paper roll collapses a little bit, you can pop him right back out. And now we're going to take the pipe cleaner and bend it in half to form Yoda's ears. You kind of want to make like a moon shape, something a little slightly crescent shaped, and twist it up a little bit. And then through those holes, you just want to poke it right through. And you can twist it and bend it on the inside so there's no glue needed, so they'll stay put. Okay, so now he's got one ear. We're just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Make that crescent. Try to make them kind of as even as possible. Pull it through. Twist it up. You can always fix his ear shape after you're done. You always make it wider, thinner, however you want to do it. And there you go. You have your Yoda. I think he looks awesome. We have our bigger one over here. You can even turn this into Baby Yoda if you want to by leaving off the hair and adding an extra rim of light brown around his collar. I hope you guys had fun. I can't wait to see your Yodas, and may the 4th be with you.